ready?
So now we will play multiplayer. Multiplayer, go. So as you can see, there's no running in the background. So as you can see, only the COD mobile is running in the background. So let's check the settings. Audio and graphics. So the max settings, graphic quality is max, frame rate is max. If we change this to ultra, the graphic quality will automatically change to medium. So let's change the graphic quality to max, and the frame rate will be changed automatically to max. So our multiplayer is at max. So the graphics is very good. It's almost like PC. It's a PC like graphics. So the graphics is settings, and graphics. As you can see, the graphic quality is at max and the frame rate is at max. So the max frame rate is 60 fps, and if we change this to ultra, the graphic quality will automatically change to medium. So we'll set it to max, graphic quality max, and frame rate max for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ooh, you quiet, you quiet. No, you quiet. I'm vlogging.
Oh, let's go. 有色的僵尸手榴弹，完全是外三角。哦，是外三角。哦，确实。跟我打一下啦！来后面，你哦，你在后面。可恶！我不打就，我比赛，被打死了，不来支援。现在我们就打死，一百。真的是很死人，这是啊，果然这一大堆人。 明明就有发条，惹我啦！我明明有打，他叫我在说吗？OK 嘛。大家来找我啊！好哦，你说的好。关起来。好。
So that's all for the max graphics and max frame rate of COD mobile using iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that's it, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.